than 1 point and 2 point and 0.8, and the left composition S is less than 0.08, and the other type about lifting bars, you can see it, and the composition is also more clearly on it. So that's our next part. The next part is about SGS text. The SGS next part has the report. You can see it. It is about test lifting box. The customer name is Engineer Felix Alloy Casting&Forgings. And the address is number 99 Yinxi Road and Jinghu District, Guxi 214122. It is many information about it, and you can read and learn more about test about lifting box. And the material and part is AS 20074 L2B, and sample name is Casting. Okay, the next test report is harness about lifting box. And there you can see the information about the chemical composition analysis and harness test. The sample, for example, the sample harness test result is 32.2 and 33.7 and 35.6. And the first measure the chemical composition. For example, C composition is 0.60 to 0.17. And the SI composition is less than 0.75. And other composition test on the board, and you can see it. It is more clearly about it. The next part is about chemical composition, about lifting box, about quotation. And you can see the picture, know the order quantity, customer, part name, and material. And we will put the clear composition on the quotation. For example, the order is BB 2019, and the quantity is 400 pieces. And although the material is AS 20074 L2B, and the next is I think is the most important information about quotation is chemical composition. It is very clearly on it. Every composition is on the board. For example, the C composition, the standard is 0.6 to 0.7, and the outside composition is less than 0.75. Now the composition is more clearly on it, and you can see that. If you buy it, we will do the best clearly composition to you. And the next part is about methodology analysis test report. And the report is about information such as methodologic analysis, reference standard, and ETG, rigid and stepwise setting from main body of material. And you can see and learn more about information about methodologic analysis test report. It is many information on it. But as the sample is the first, and this structure of the sample is the pyrolate. The pyrolate is more than 99%, and the CP is 1 to 52. And it is also include 3 steps. The first step is stepping from main body of material, and the second step is mounting, grading, cleaning, polishing, and teaching. And the third step is observing with the microscope. Okay, the next part is about planners for thermal mills and cold mills and marine mills. And the below pictures is about composition about it, and it is very more clearly on it. And you can see the first is about type about this part, and the other information about chemical composition. So, such as the first type of performance reference standard is AS 2074, L2R, L2A. The first, the composition is C about 0.55 to 0.55, and second composition is SI. It is less than 0.75, and the next composition is MM. It is 0.50 to 0.1, and the next composition is CR is 0.80 to 1.20, and the other composition is more clearly on it, and you can see it. It is also about 2 pictures. The first picture is HCR blister box included into rubber for SAG and AG mills. And the hardness is more than HRC 60. And the next picture is about tungsten steel cups light into rubber blister box for SAG and AG mills. And the material grade is about AS 2074 L2B, L2C, and also the hardness is HB 310 and to 380. So the next part is about electric processing. So there is a video about it. So the video you can see about it, and it is more clearly about it. I think you can learn more about it and think it is very good. So the next part is about the types of electrode, and also there are 4 pictures about it, and you can see about it and know the shape or color about it. So also the next is 4 pictures about testing for lift box. I think it is very clear. And you can see it. We test it very carefully and do it more good than others. And also there are some pictures about it, and you can see it and learn more about it. And also there is a video about it. So through the video, I think you will know more clearly about it, and I think you may be interested in the lifting box. And the next part is about pure data validates your lifting strap. And also there are 3 pictures about it, and you can see the color and the shape of it. And the next part is about the lifting box conversion. The utility model relates to my lifting strap, which is characterized in article include outlaw and reinforcement structure. Article described a section show catalog and the section of the outer surface of the body sealed with a line of alloy layer, as described in article reinforcement structure, placed in a section outlook on the horizontal and vertical section, and to strengthen structure and include the joint of outlook. for the dash apple connection, different trapezoidal hole is set on structure, and also it is used to connect reinforcement structure. The outer opening area of the trapezoidal hole is smaller than the inner corner area. And I think the lifting bars you will be interested in, and our company are good at producing the product, and I think we will cooperate with you in 2021. And the next I hope I have you to see more clearly about it. I think the Fairlater Chronometer Steel Lifting Strap is very good and suitable for you. And it is our company product. And I think you will be interested in it. And it is more harder than other lifting bars, and it is very good than others. And you can see the picture about it and know more about it soon. On producing lifting bars, we are more carefully and good at it. And also you can see the picture. We are producing the lifting bars, and testing it is very carefully. We will test it and will let the best product to you, and test it we will write down every more clear information on it. And also there are pictures about our types of lifting bars. You can see more about it, and if you are interested in it, please connect to us, and we will be happy to cooperate with you in the future. And the video is about testing lifting bars, and you can see it. Okay, the video is more clearly about testing lifting bars, and I think you will know more about our testing lifting bars information. And you can see the two pictures about electrode processing. And it is more clearly on board. And the pictures is about chemical completion, about nominal completion, about standard specification for CR and alloy steel. And I think the completion and every information will be more clearly on the board. And if you want to know more about it, and I think you can see the pictures. And I think our lifting bars will meet your needs. So, that is my show about lifting bars. So, thanks for watching, and let's welcome my colleague to introduce other products about our EB China.
Okay, this is Bruce from EB China. Today I will introduce the comb crusher to you in the area. This is a catalog. I attached 2 pictures on this to illustrate the different crusher to you. The catalog is divided into 4 parts. The first part is introduction, the second is about the feature. The third is material type, and the last is about the production crush. This is the first part, introduction. Comb crusher, a crushing machine suitable for raw materials in metallurgy, construction, road construction, chemistry, and silicate industries. According to different crushing principles and different product output sizes, it is divided into many models. They are widely used in mining, smelting, building materials, highways, railways, water conservancy and chemical industries, and many other sectors. The comb crusher has large crushing ratio, high efficiency, low energy consumption, uniform product size, suitable for medium and fine crushing of various ores and roads. On the right side of the screen, I attached 2 pictures. This is a general structure of comb crusher. The first on the top right is the outlook of the comb crusher, and the second on the bottom left, on the bottom right, is the inner part or inner structure of the comb crusher when it is working. The next part is about its main features. The first feature is strong impact resistance and good toughness. The comb crusher can crush and extrude continuously every second, so that the efficiency and the speed of the obtained material are particularly high. The crushing material crusher has always been a stage of high strength impact in the operation process. So it is recorded that the comb crusher parts can resist high strength impact force. This is its second feature or advantage: low cost and low consumption. The cone breaking parts can fully reduce the operating cost. During the cone crusher, because of the minimal element and scientific material and casting. At the same time, all parts are subjected to the essential wear-resistant treatment, which can effectively improve the cost performance and reduce the cost. The next is good use effect. According to the crushing principle of the cone crusher, the cone crusher accessories produced by our company can leave the crusher well, and the work of various parts can be coordinated so that the crusher can improve the whole performance and the production capacity, whether medium or fast, and can perfectly meet the requirements of the demand. And the last feature is about its long service life. The accessories produced by our company adopt special process and the best proportion of metal elements, and adopt thermal process and water gas process, achieve the best performance ratio through the detection and monitoring of various metal elements, which can well meet the needs of prolong the service life of wear-resistant accessories and improve the service life of the cone crusher. Let's come to the next part. It's about material type. The first major material is alloyed ultra-high manganese. When it comes to manganese, it is a kind of material that is commonly used in chemical industry or other industries. The picture on the left of the screen shows this kind of material. And the second material, everyone should be familiar with this high chromium. The picture on the left shows the cone crusher made by this kind of material. Also, the third high manganese steel is the common material to make cone crusher. You can see the picture on the left. It is made of high manganese steel, and the color is very, and its color is red. The fourth material is bimetallic. The picture on the left, I use the blue cone crusher. It means it is made of two kinds of different metal materials. To this point, it can add the hardness of the product. The next part is about its producing craft. The first craft is model process. The iron models and coating process broken wall, and rolling mortar wall is good. The grain of the casting is refined, obviously, and the wear resistance is greatly improved. It's one of the development directions in the future. The crushing wall and rolling mortar wall are made of shaped sand balls, which saves molding sand and has high production efficiency. The method is used to produce broken wall and rolling mortar wall with accurate size, good service quality, and high production efficiency. It is a development direction of medium and small broken wall and rolling mortar wall with a certain edge in the future. And at the same time, the pouring and riser should be reasonably designed. And the external cooling iron, suspending agent, internal cooling iron, and cemented carbide columns should be added to the pot to refine the grain and improve the wear resistance. It is one of the development directions of casting process in the future. To actively promote the casting CAE numerical simulation technology and reasonably determine the casting process. The second part is called smelting process. The chemical composition should be strictly controlled. The manganese carbon ratio should be greater than 10. The carbon content should be about 0.95% to 1.2%. Silicon content should be less than 0.6%, and the ferrous content should be less than 0.0545%. Fine technology such as blowing argon at the furnace bottom, blowing argon in the ladle, adding composite modifier and nano modifier is adopted to deoxidize, remove gas and slag inclusion, and purify molten steel to reduce nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and non-metallic slag inclusion. It is a development direction of smelting process. At the same time, the casting temperature should be strictly controlled at the range between 1480 degrees Celsius to 1550 degrees Celsius, and the pouring temperature should be 1390 degrees Celsius to 1430 degrees Celsius, so as to ensure the grain refinement in grain size greater than grade 2, so as to improve the wear resistance castings. The next graph is about heat treatment process. The reasonable heat treatment process should be strictly implemented. The circular bell jar trolley electric furnace is used for heat treatment, which has good series, environmental protection, energy-saving effect, less decarburization of castings, and convenient use. It is a direction of heat treatment development. Okay, this is the end. Thank you very much. I hope everyone could get a rough understanding of the crush by today's introduction. And if you want to purchase our product, you can contact us without hesitation. Next, welcome my colleague to present you another wonderful illustration to you.
Hello everyone, this is Louis from China. Next, I will introduce the well-resistant centrifuge tube to you. The first is a product introduction. Well-resistant pipe transportation acids vary across the power module of petroleum building materials, machinery, and other industries, and is developing at a high speed. The well of the well-resistant tube is a common phenomenon. Well, the surface is well-resistant of the jets are in contact with each other and refers to the phenomenon of damage and damaging caused by detachment or transfer by the surface of the material is impacted by falling water and small particles. The use of ideal high strength, high toughness, and well-resistant tubes is an important way to reduce dry fit where the materials of well-resistant pipes are basically divided into 4 categories. The first is flower pipes, and the second is now the poly pipes. The third is poly pipes. The fourth is oxide material pipes. Well-resistant pipes are widely used for the transportation of several and well-resistant pumps such as powder feeding, slag irrigation, and ash powder pumps are also very suitable. Next, I will introduce the features of the product. First, the product has much improved damage. The output adopts seamless steel pipe, which is the key volume to achieve high pressure. The high nickel atom lined with high nickel atom well resistant material and does not withstand high pressure. Compared with well resistant steel pipes, it can endure steel dynamic. The normal operation of the composite pipe is suitable for high pressure, high concentration, and long distance transportation pipelines. The second is it has well resistant. A special compound olive oil is used to refine the bread size, which greatly improves the toughness and the tensile strength of the supplements. The eccentric is used to improve the well resistance, and the well value is generally 0.03 to within the range of 0.20 centimeters. 1.61 kilometers. It is about 3 to 5 times that of plastics, and the well resistance of steel pipes is 4 to 6 times that of steel pipes. Research is the actuator adopts similar steel pipe. Their specifications, which greatly facilitate the design and installation of pipe fittings and welding performances. Welding, matching, and other characteristics. The gross features of the product is it has high temperature resistance. The hydronickel panel line can be used at 600 degrees without deformation and oxidation. And entered high well resistance. The base is it has good corrosion resistance in a certain temperature and reaction strength. It has resistance to microscopic medium size soft and non-can kinds of degree and 80 degree for 30 days. What is known as lower tolerance and other viscose from taste, and then basically unchanged. Next is the boundary inspection. Its production process is centrifugal casting, and precision casting for obituaries, cobalt and nickel, stainless steel, alumina and copper castings. Our company's weight is 10 to 25,000 kilograms per pieces. Next, I will introduce the advantages of the central casting. First, it has the casting process is to make the steel solidified and form under great conditions that are of higher than that of conventional casting, which solves the problem to produce. The membrane has high density and its slag discharge and the export. The effect is good. The second is the central counterpart has a high dimensional accuracy and a uniform thickness, which provides a favorable guarantee for the dimensional accuracy of subsequent processed products. The third advantage of the centrifugal casting is it has a high flexibility for the production of small batches from liquid or fabric types and specifications, high quality and high value added steel pipes. Next, I will introduce the type of the material. In the selection of material, the outer wall of the centrifuge tube is made of carbon steel, which ensures that the well resistant tube has high machine stress and impact resistance. The lining well resistant layer is selected from the well resistant anode steel series independently developed by our company. The addition of NiOCu and other atoms after patching and temperature treatment process makes the anode steel not only has strong wear resistance and corrosion resistance, but also higher machine strength and impact resistance. These are our testing equipment. The first is the stack transmitter. The second is the UT tester. The third is the empty tester. The fourth is the PT tester. And some the fifth is table hardness tester for HBM. The sixth is the table hardness tester for HBC. The seventh is portable hardware status. And the eighth is the impactor of hardware testing. And nine is the universal material testing machine. The last is the metal saw. There are some pictures of our well-resistant centrifugal parts. So well-resistant tubes is the high torque white iron and high Evergreen steel. It's about some casting and machine OD and parts this way. The next is machining ring OD and ID. This is our ISO for specification. The first is ISO 9000 and the second is the ISO 18001, and the third is the ISO 14001. There are some certificates. First is the certificate of approval. And the second is the certificate of occupational health and safety management system. The third is a certificate of environment management system. For further information, please refer to our website www.edcastings.com, and our detailed contact way is as follows. Contact person the telephone is 008618800596372. The fax is 008265168792172. His address is number 1099, Xinhua Road, Shan District, 214122, Wuxi, Jiangsu Province, China. That's all about my product. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, this is T from ED China. Today I will show you our products wear resistance roller. Now I will show you The flow of wear resistance rollers through the 4 parts: products overviews, products function, and products advantage, and application. Number 1, the product overview. Our method for manufacturing a wear resistance roller is described for brushing granular materials such as real oil in the mining industry. By this method, the surface area of the roller is provided with a quality of resistance. Each of the wear resistance member is embedded in the resist. The method is characterized even after arranging the wear resistant member in the resist, and list some materials around each resist electrically deformed, and the deformed material changes the shape of the resist and fixes the wear resistant member to the roller. Number 1, from the introduction to the operating environment and working condition. Place of use. Our production line of rolling mile. Brief introduction of working conditions. The roller is always in high speed, rotation, and high temperature environment during the working process. And the roller is sprayed with cooling water all the time. Number 2, technical content. 1. System introduction roller is used for single line vertical looper. Standard in the rolling mile area. Roller is used for cooling bed roller table, providing power for the cooling bed of finished steel. Number 2, manufacturing requirements. Principle must be manufactured according to the driving provided by type, and it is a fine price or unreasonable part in the driving drawings. It must notify after confines notified the material supply department in the form of a drawing transform. Number 3, quality requirements. The roller must not be less than 500,000 pounds of steel, and the amount of water 100,000 pounds of the steel must not exceed 1.5 millimeter. 3 millimeter is diameter. The wear of roller EM 04 0.01 P01 per 300,000 tons does not exist 1.5 millimeter. That is, the diameter is 3 millimeter from the date of use of all spare parts. Part A will keep an online quality tracking recorder and provide times feedback to Part B if there is a problem with the purchase bill value. Part B guarantees on-site service within 46 hours and free replacement with the month. Has the right to terminate the contract due to quality problems that can conflict the steel volume requirements. Now, this is our product's picture. This is our industry, and the wear resistance roller is used. This picture is more than cleaner than last picture. This is so. Application and maintenance of a silver type wear resistance roller of roller brakes. 1. Grinding roller structure design and reply method. The supply line and the maintenance of roller brakes rollers can always be the focus of attention in production and use at home and abroad. Judging from the current for attention in production and use at home and abroad. Judging from the current use situation, the service life of the grinding roller has been greatly improved compared with the digital is not only on the improvement of the wear resistance material of the grinding roller, but also on the functionality of the production processes and the system. Many companies have a service lasting up to 8,000 hours, and the number of replies is more than 6 times. However, with the wheel of the grinding roller, which will always enter maintenance repair handling period. When the locate wheel of the grinding roller reaches a certain level, it needs to be repaired and repaired in time. Manufacturing. Usually this can be done on site after the grinding roller has undergone the cycle process of wear. repair welding. Repair the rewelding and the weld resistance liner, transition liner, and ever the basis material liner will cross to white watering degrees. The number of precise, the